Hi, everyone. For art today, I thought that we would take a look at the 4 seasons in the weather: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now, we know when we look at pictures on the internet and in storybooks, this is the picture that they often show us. For spring, the plants are growing and it's sunny and warm. And in summer, it gets even hotter, and we go to the beach, and it's warm. And then over here in fall, also called autumn, well, it starts to rain and it gets cloudy. And then in winter, we often see in storybooks kids building snowmen and really cold weather. So here's another example of what we often see in storybooks. Spring might have rain so that the plants grow and the fruit trees start to put on the fruit. And then summer, hot and sunny. And then over here in the fall, the leaves turn color. They start to turn from green to yellow, orange, and red. And they start to fall off in the wind. And then over here in winter, once again, we see snow. And here's one I found, and they even label them spring, summer, fall, winter, and you will see that in spring, everything's green, the birds are flying around, a rainbow because there's some rain for the plants. And then over here in summer, hot sun, hot beach, the fruit trees have fruit. And then in the fall, we see the leaves turning color, and some of them have started to fall off, and it's getting to be Halloween time. And then we get winter when all the leaves have fallen off all the trees, and we can build snowmen. And once again, the trees in spring are starting to grow leaves. By summer, they have their leaves and they're green. In the fall, the leaves start to turn color and they start to fall off, and by winter, they've fallen off the trees. Well, I thought today we could draw pictures to answer this question: how do the seasons look here? Because we don't get snow in Contra Costa County. So we don't get snow on the streets where we live. So find a piece of paper. I want you to hold it this way, I want you to hold it the long way. You fold it 2 times, 1, 2, and that makes 4 boxes, okay, like this. Then I would like you very small in each box, because we don't want to use up our drawing space. You can write spring, summer, fall, and winter in this order. And then you can think about what it looks like in spring here, what it looks like in summer. Do we really go to the beach here? Right around here where we live, if you go out to Marin County and you go to Stinson Beach or Muir Beach, does it really get hot at the beach? Is the water lovely and warm at the beach around here? Or maybe you go to the beach in Alameda. The water doesn't get warm around here. So there's very few people that actually wear a swimsuit to the beach in summer around here. In fall, we have 2 kinds of trees that lose their leaves and trees that don't lose their needles, like pine trees. And it is true in the fall, our trees that lose their leaves, the leaves start to turn orange and yellow and red, and they start to fall off. But what does our winter look like? We don't really get snow on the streets of El Cerrito, San Pablo, Richmond. So what does our winter look like? Today's challenge is to try to draw a picture of each of the 4 seasons and how they look right around here. Okay? So think first, then start drawing, and you can use your crayons if you have time to color your drawings.